Welcome back to another weekly Watershed Walk video. This week, we are featuring a team-building hike the staff at the KWRC did at the Sussex Bluffs Trail. Here at the KWRC, getting outside and spending time in nature is something we love to do. Being outdoors is a great way to get to know our watershed and give our staff a much-needed refresher from the office. It's also really interesting to see how our watershed changes with the seasons. It was quite the hike up the bluffs, but once we got to the top, the climb was worth it. From here, we could get a beautiful panoramic view of the Millbrook section of our watershed. Of course, hikes are always better when you bring along some furry friends. Hi! I'm not sure who had more fun on the hike, us or the dogs.
Hi, buddy.
With this great view behind us, the staff spent some time chatting and brainstorming project ideas for 2021 and beyond. We had some great conversations, and we are so excited to bring you guys some incredible projects in the new year. Thanks for tuning in to this week's Watershed Walk. Thank you to our amazing partners that help make the work we do at the KWRC possible. Make sure to follow us on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can stay up to date on all our projects. We'll see you next time.